Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I'm Curtis Iden with Colorado Computer Support, and we're going to have a very simple, easy Outlook tech tip for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I appreciate you hanging out with me as always. I'm Curtis Hyde, and I'm with Colorado Computer Support. So, do you ever find yourself using your Microsoft Outlook and needing a time to where you need to look at your mailbox and your calendar at the exact same time? Well, it can be done. It's a very simple, easy, quick fix, and it has saved me a couple headaches here and there. So whenever you're looking at your email and then you need to jump to your calendar, but you want to look at them at the exact same time, it's very simple. In the bottom left-hand corner of your Outlook, you're going to see this bar down here and it has 4 different icons in it. So while you have your mail open, right-click on the calendar and just click Open in a new window. It's going to open your calendar in a brand new window. That way you can view them at the exact same time to possibly answer emails or move that calendar date that someone's requesting in an email that they sent you. Makes it much easier just having them working together at the exact same time. Hope that helps you out and maybe solves a little bit of a headache whenever you find yourself jumping around trying to remember what you just looked at last. As always, if you do have any additional questions about anything IT business related, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can always reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. I appreciate as always for you joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I'll see you next time and have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.